Myself, Professor Pawar VK from Department of Geography, J.A.T Art, Science and Commerce College for Women, Malegaon. On behalf of this video presentation, I welcome you all. Today's topic of my video presentation is, dear students, in this video today we will see the biological or organic weathering. Now, in biological weathering, the main role is played by the plants, animals, as well as human beings. Now, plants assist in surface weathering both by chemical and mechanical processes. Now, agents of biological weathering, when we see, the plants are the major agents of the biological weathering. Now, algae, mosses, lichens, and other vegetation retain water on the surface of the rock, and various organic acids help to decay the rock beneath, so that a ton of moss may lie in a small and growing hollow in the rock. The presence of vegetation increases the acid content of the salt water, which helps in the chemical disintegration of calcareous rocks. The water containing bacteria can help in the decomposition of some rocks, particularly limestone. The mechanical disintegration effect on vegetation is mainly due to the penetrating and expanding of the roots. When the roots grow and in search of water they penetrate into the soil, these growing roots exert pressure on rocks. As the mass of the root increases, it exerts a pressure on the rocks, and hence the breaking of the rocks, that is the mechanical breaking of the rocks, takes place. Moreover, the roots help in widening cracks and crevices, thus allowing water and air to enter. Growing roots, when exert pressure, the cracks and crevices increase, and in the raining hours, the water enters in these cracks and crevices. Contrary to this, the close mat of vegetation may actually prevent disintegration of rocks, since it binds the surface layer, hinders its removal, holds up water, and prevents the exposure of a surface of fresh rocks to the agents of weathering. The judicious removal of vegetation by man is a major cause of soil erosion. Whatever deforestation is going out throughout the world, because of this uncontrolled deforestation, the removal of vegetation cover is there, and because of this removal of vegetation cover, the erosion takes place, and hence the weathering also is increased. Various forms of life, such as worms, rabbits, and moles, also disintegrate the rocks. All these rodents have the habit of just burying or potting burrows. They dig the burrows at that time. Because of the sharp teeth or nails, they have the scratches on the rocks. Worms bring large quantities of fine material to the surface in the form of cast, while burrowing animals help to loosen the surface material. Now, all these burrowing animals, rabbits or rodents, when secrete the humic acids, these also cause the breaking or the breaking of the rocks, and in this way these rocks are less deformed. Now, human beings for the construction purposes, when they form the blasting or borings or construction of roads or ghats, at that time we use the determinates, and because of these determinates, whatever the rocks are exposed, these rocks are just exploded for the construction of roads or ghats or tunnels, or the mining purposes. Because of the mining activities, these human agency or human beings cause the weathering in that particular area. Human beings are one of the agents of causing the activity of weathering. Now, weathering in different climatic regions. Now, the effects of weather upon the rocks vary accordingly to the potency of the different climatic elements. In equatorial latitudes, where both the